Have you ever sat down to work, and before you know it, you're checking your phone, scrolling Instagram, or wondering what you even opened your laptop for in the first place? If so, you're not broken, you're not lazy. Your brain is simply overwhelmed, and modern life is designed to hijack your attention. In this video, I'll show you the 5 habits that are silently destroying your focus and exactly how to fix them. These aren't productivity hacks or quick fixes. They're long-term habits that help rebuild your mental clarity, protect your brain power, and help you finally get things done again. Stick with me until the end. I'll share my favorite supplements and tools that support clean, sustained focus without the crash. Links to everything I personally use are down in the description. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Starting your day in reactive mode. Most people wake up and instantly grab their phone. They check notifications, emails, and social media, flooding their brain with noise before they've even brushed their teeth. This trains your mind to be reactive instead of focused. The fix: create a no-input zone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. That means no social media, no email, no messages. Use that time to hydrate, get sunlight, stretch, or journal. It's not about perfection, it's about protecting your mental space, while your brain is still setting its tone for the day. Habit number 2. Constant context switching. Multitasking feels productive, but it's killing your focus. Studies show it can take 20 minutes to fully refocus after a distraction. Most people switch tasks every 3 to 5 minutes without realizing. The solution: time blocking and single tasking. Choose one task, set a 25-minute timer, and remove all distractions. Use noise-canceling headphones or a focused playlist if needed. Personally, I use the flow timer method and ambient sound loops, both linked in the description below. If you're getting value so far, hit that like button, so YouTube knows to share this with more people who struggle with focus. Drop a comment. Which of these habits do you notice in your own life? Habit number 3. Poor nutrition and blood sugar crashes. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. But when you eat processed carbs, sugary snacks, or skip meals, you're setting yourself up for mental crashes. The symptoms: brain fog, irritability, loss of motivation. Sound familiar? Instead, aim for steady fuel. Meals high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. I rely on smoothies with collagen and MCT oil, or high-protein snacks like Greek yogurt or boiled eggs. I've listed my favorite go-to products and ingredients in the description for you to try. Habit number 4. Lack of movement during the day. Sitting for long periods does indeed just affect your posture. It literally reduces oxygen flow to your brain. That sluggish, heavy-headed feeling in the afternoon, often caused by a lack of circulation. Try this. Set a 90-minute movement timer. When it goes off, take 3 minutes to stretch, breathe deeply, or walk around. You don't need a gym. Even basic TRX movements or posture resets can help. I keep a compact suspension trainer in my room for exactly this. It's super simple and keeps me alert all day. Habit number 5. No support for cognitive recovery. Most people burn their brain like a foam bag, using apps, switching tasks, answering messages all day, and then wonder why they can't focus. Your brain needs recovery. That means quality sleep, low evening stimulation, and sometimes targeted supplements. Personally, I use magnesium glycinate to support deep sleep. And during high-focus days, I stack L-theanine with caffeine for calm energy. These have helped me reduce anxiety, stay sharp, and avoid burnout. If you want to try these, I linked everything I personally use below. Nothing gimmicky, just what works for me after testing dozens of options. Let's recap. Start your day without distractions. Stop multitasking. Fuel your brain with the right foods. Move often, even briefly. Recover with sleep and targeted tools. Fix these 5 habits, and your ability to focus will completely change in the next 30 days. If this video helped you, leave a like. It helps more than you know. And subscribe for more high-performance health strategies made for busy people who want results. While the tools, supplements, and brain support products I use daily are listed in the description. Feel free to explore what works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.